Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You have the essentials: app installed, SIM active, and permissions granted. First, open the SMS app and allow access to contacts and messages so features work. Next, set the app as your default messenger when the prompt appears. This ensures incoming texts arrive properly. Once done, check notifications and sound so you don't miss messages. Make sure your network indicator shows signal or Wi-Fi before you continue. That prevents send failures later on. You're ready to compose and manage conversations. Tap Compose, add one or multiple recipients, and type your message. Use Enter for new lines and send when ready. To enrich texts, tap the attachment icon to add photos, voice notes, or location. Remember, large files may use data. Once conversations multiply, label, archive, or pin important threads so you find them quickly. Make sure to review group settings and delivery reports. They explain why a message may show as sent, but not delivered. Finish by confirming delivery and maintaining backups. After sending, glance at message status icons. Retry any that failed. Enable cloud backup or export threads to preserve important conversations and sync across devices if the app supports it. If something goes wrong, messages not sending or notifications silent, toggle airplane mode briefly, then restart the phone. If the problem persists, reinstall the app and regrant permissions. One key tip: check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.